See, it's been snowing about an hour and a half. We already got like 3 inches. And we got to get out in it. Got the old Ram started, getting her warmed up. Got the snow off the windshield and stuff. We got to get out in it for a good reason. But I mean, there's more than 3 inches out here. I'm down about a couple inches an hour. It's gonna be interesting. Damn, it's already about another half inch since I was out here a few minutes ago. Here we go. We're gonna see if I have to put it in four drive or not. We'll try to do it without it. Guess y'all can tell us how dumb we are later in the comments. Look at all that snow, I can't see nothing. Should have shoved it off the hood.
Yeah.
Get her, Mom.
I ain't seeing anything.
I know.
I can't even see the driveway. Don't you drop us off of it?
I'm gonna try my best to, honey.
Can't even see it. Yeah, that needs to come off the hood. Woo, we're sliding. Oh my gosh.
Damn it.
You are gonna have to put four-wheel drive.
Here we go. No wonder it won't go nowhere. Why won't it go off? I don't want no traction control.
Oh my gosh. We're going sideways.
It's like something's holding us back.
Yeah, I know. It feels like something's pulling us backwards as we're trying to go forward. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is crazy. PJ, you should have walked that off. I can't even see down. We're going to drop off side of the road anyway. Look, can't see that little line goes.
Can't even see the road.
Can't see